Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Jerry and I was just sent this teppanyaki style grill, and this is kind of a hibachi style, and this thing is wide. They say it's wide, and it is. It's almost 3 feet wide at 35 inches. This is a big beast. It does have nice insulated handles on the side. It allows you to pick this up so you can move it around. I want to flip it over and kind of show you. It's got stainless on the bottom. Everything has got nice rubber feet on there. Very light, very portable, easy to move this thing around wherever you want it to go. It does have a nice drip tray that is removable in the front to catch any little goodies that you end up scooping off into there, so it's easy to dispose of that. And then it does come with this additional baffle piece that's a nice little stainless baffle that you can go ahead and put around the outside edge. This will kind of keep from splatters or keep from wind from coming in here. Very easy to install this as well. You just simply slide it over the edge of this piece on here, and I'll go ahead and put this piece on the back. And just like that, that baffle goes on there. That'll keep some grease from splattering about. This is the plug here. It goes into a standard 110 or 120 outlet in a US household. We're going to slide it right in. And then on the top of here, it actually lets you turn this on. It goes anywhere from 205 up to about 420 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and turn that up. And this is a non-stick surface, so we're going to kind of get it prepped and ready to go. I'm going to be cooking some hamburger meat onto here. So if you were taking this out, it would be great if you're going out camping, or if you wanted to take this outside, maybe a tailgate. Lots of surface area. You can easily do like eggs, sausage, bacon, hash browns. You can do it all right there. Of course, you want to make sure you want to use a non-stick for the surface on that. It does not come with this. It comes with the instruction guide in the box and everything. You can feel it's getting hot fast, which is great. I'm going to go ahead and get this put on here and get this thing cooked up and show you what it can do. So I've got this going here for a couple of minutes. You can come in here and see this is really sizzling away here. We've got a full pound of hamburger meat. So this is 1 full pound. Look at all this real estate. You got all kinds of space on here. You could easily be doing hamburger meat. Maybe you decide, look at that, non-stick, slides right over there. Listen to that sizzle. I'm gonna go ahead and maybe we'll crack an egg, do one of these deals like they do at the little steakhouse in front of you. Go ahead and get that, use that baffle back there and go ahead and use that for a good purpose there too. Look at that. Get that guy frying up on there so you can cook an egg. It's gonna heat up on there. So we're gonna get this thing all nice and cooked up here. If you've got a lot of people to cook for, this would be great because you've got so much space on here. This is like a very large cooking area. I like the fact that it's got the little splash guards if you're using this inside. It's completely optional. You don't have to use it if you didn't want to if you're cooking outside. But I like the fact this is non-stick. I mean, this stuff is just gliding over here. I mean, this is an egg. I didn't use any non-stick spray. This is just an egg on here, so looks really good. So thank you guys again for sending this. This is going to work out great.